This is verb tense identification exercise. So you need to read each sentence carefully. You need to identify the verb's tense, past, present, or future. And then you need to select the correct answer. So let's begin. The first sentence is students are studying for their exams. The verb is studying, and you have three options: past tense, present, and future. So what is this verb studying? It's present, correct? Second, she will finish her project by tomorrow. The verb is will finish, and you have the options past, present, and future. Will finish is what tense? It is, you guessed it correct, it's future tense. He cooked dinner for his family last night. Verb is cooked. Options are past, present, and future. What tense is this word quick cooked? It's past. Fourth sentence, I'm going to the gym after work today. Verb, am going. Options are past, present, and future. Am going is present tense. Correct? Fifth, they have been waiting for the bus for over an hour. Have been waiting. What is this have been waiting? This is present tense. Correct? Let's move on to sixth. She sings beautifully. Sings is a verb. So what tense is this word? Sings. This is past, present, or future. This is present tense. Seventh, he will travel to Paris next month. Will travel. This is future tense. Will travel. We watched a movie yesterday. Verb is watched. Past, present, or future. Watched. Correct? So watched is past tense. She has been living in the city for 5 years. Verb has been living. Options are past, present, and future. Has been living. What verb is this? What tense is this verb? This is present tense. They will be celebrating their anniversary next week. Verb is will be celebrating. Options are past, present, and future. Will be celebrating, will be celebrating. So it's a future tense. The verb is in future tense. So that's it. Here are the answers. You can take a quick note of these answers. Well done. You have completed the verb tense identification exercise. You need to practice more to strengthen your understanding of verb tenses. Thanks for watching. Keep tuned. Have a nice day.